Well, hello there. Weatherman Dave here. Going to give you an update. This is our first update. December 22nd, 2022. Winter Storm Elliott is fixing to hit us. We're sitting at 38 degrees. I'm feeling a little bit of mist coming down. The clouds, you can see the front coming through. It was sunshiny this morning, but now it's coming from the northwest. Shake again. See how the clouds? It's all clouds now, man. And it is misting a little bitty bit. But them almost looks like snow clouds. But it's gonna get a little bit cooler. A whole lot cooler. So we got our wood gathered for the fireplaces and the wood stove. So we ready. Even Lily's looking up in the sky. He's looking at the clouds. What do you think, Lily? Gonna get bad, ain't it? Huh? It's gonna get bad. Look up in the sky. Look up there. Yeah. See it? Weird looking, ain't it? Yeah, she even knows. Animals know. Anyway, we'll be back a little later with another weather report. This is old Dave the Weatherman. Have y'all missed me? It's been a couple years. Anyway, I'll see you after a while. Okay? Bye. As always, adios toodly-doo. Hey, I'm back. It is now 12:45, which is 2 hours and 45 minutes later. We've gone from 38 degrees to 24 degrees. And we are starting to get some snow and wind. Woo! Check it out, folks. I ain't staying out here very long because it's cold, man. And all that wind. All right. Dave the Weatherman going back inside.